Hi, my name is Mark Knight. Welcome to Preston's College. I'm the head of school for iStem. If you're a Year 11 leaver, let's go and take a look around inside. iStem is all about innovation, science, technology, engineering and mathematics together, and how we combine them as a school we'll go and have a look for. This facility was completed in 2015 and is a gateway for employers to match with students across the Northwest. No matter which STEM subject that you choose, English and mathematics is at the heart of everything that we do. Within iStem, we've got 3 specific purpose-built PC suites with around 100 PCs available for our students to come and use for their use. High specification PCs used within engineering, simulation, manufacturing control here at Preston's College. Large scale project and planning delivered here in the input zone at Preston's College iStem. If electrical, electronic, robotics and mechatronics is your thing, here at Preston's College, purpose-built laboratories to allow you to design circuits, test, program PCs and control robotic functions, all from our classrooms. Within our prototyping facility, we can test for tensile and data acquisition, impact and energy fracture with some of the latest educational testing equipment. This equipment records to software specific for us to analyse data and gain meaningful results. 3D print and manufacture is also available in here. Here at Preston's College, we actually do teach advanced manufacturing engineering. This allows students to take computer-aided design drawings and take them through computer-aided manufacturing processes to finally produce a prototype. Here at Preston's College, our advanced manufacturing engineering students will take their own computer-aided design products and manufacture them on our CNC machinery. We carry various stock to allow students to be involved in projects, to complete designs and test their own theories. Students can practice their own skills in turning and manual milling. Once students have progressed from manual milling, they can move on to computer numerical control milling with the 3-axis milling machines. Within our fabrication and welding department, we give students the opportunity to learn sheet metal processes, welding, MIG, TIG and MMA processes throughout their studying here at the college. Wanting to learn new skills as a 16-year-old school leaver, or to improve and learn something completely different for your career as an adult here at Preston's College Engineering. That concludes my tour of iStem. I hope you're looking forward to coming here in September and I wish you the very best.